This is it. Bitcoin just broke the force pattern, the same pattern that marks the final leg of every major bull run. This means one thing: the final boss alt season is about to begin, and if you're not positioned right now, you're gonna miss the biggest wealth transfer of the decade. Altcoins are about to go absolutely parabolic, and I'm about to show you exactly why. We're talking a potential 170,000 Bitcoin target, a $2 trillion altcoin market cap, and plays like XRP could easily 2 to 3x from here fast. So let's dive in, because this move is happening right now. Just a quick warning though, only pro traders are gonna walk away from this market with profits. That's why I built the Quantum Cipher program, to help serious traders crush these parabolic moves with precision. One of my students just banked $1.5 million in the last 30 days using my exact system, and we've only got 10 seats left this month before we close this enrollment. The link's gonna be below, so act now before it's too late. So what's the signal? Bitcoin just broke the force pattern, and if you know my system, you know that's the final leg of every macro bull market. This move is the trigger for the entire altcoin super cycle. Right now, if you look at the log cycle of BTC using the Cycle Master and Power Law Corridor indicator, we're about to exit the green zone. And get this, Bitcoin has never topped a cycle without hitting that red line first. And right now, that red line sits at about $170,000 Bitcoin. So that's basically your first target for this run, and we're just getting started. If you want to know if the trend is still bullish, always watch the 50-day moving average. It's basically always been the line between bull and bear markets. As long as Bitcoin's going to hold that 50 MA, we stay bullish. But once that breaks, it's basically game over. That's the exit. Until then, lock in profits on the way up and ride this wave. Next up, Total 3, the altcoin market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. It's literally in a pre-breakout of a massive force pattern. If this breaks out, we're looking at $1.5 to $2 trillion market cap for the altcoins. This is the early signal for the altcoin parabolic phase, and it's triggering literally right now. I would have to say my top play right now is XRP. This thing is in a massive long-term force pattern, and we're right on the edge of a breakout. Personally, I'm balls deep XRP right now. My price target is about $4 to $6 per coin on this run. Yes, it could go higher, but I'm always just looking for those short-term gains. Get in, get out, cycle, repeat. I also have a full breakdown in a separate video of my full fundamental and price target breakdown on XRP. Link's gonna be below. Now for a quick bonus play, there's BUSDT. This thing just broke what I call a kryptonite pattern. If this breakout actually holds, I would say we could easily see a fast move to 70 cents, upwards of $1 per coin. This is an asymmetric setup that I love. Altcoins overall have been pumping this last week, and here's the wild part. Me and my Quantum Cipher students got into these altcoins weeks ago, way ahead of these breakouts. Every Monday, I drop what I call the Quantum Cipher Report, my private newsletter with my top trades, setups, and forecasts for the week. And it's working every week. We're catching monster moves before they hit the mainstream. So if you want in, now is the time. The window is closing fast. This could be the final parabolic run before the bear cycle returns. So please don't sit this out. Link's gonna be below for the Quantum Cipher program, my XRP deep dive, and the full list of altcoins that I'm in right now. So boys and girls, let's make this one count. Strap in, the final boss of alt season has begun. If you want to get mentored by me, I also have that link below. Join the Quantum Cipher program. If not, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.